morning, hot dogs. Welcome back to the fun. We're doing a real big heading to work. I'm still at home. Let's go to work. Shout outs to Jesus.
This kind of has no tires. Let's see if it doesn't fall off. Alright, didn't fall off. I remember this last week. Let's tag it. Alright. Pretty good. Line it up. Pick it up. Grip, line it up, try not to destroy that truck, pick it up, move forward. That way I don't risk that bumper on that truck or van or whatever it is. Quick grip, line it up, pick it up. Alright, who do these guys work for? I've seen a bunch of them throughout my route already. It's like they hit up a neighborhood. Good for them, we need them. I'm just wondering, like, who do they work for? Are they contracted? Tree Services King. I don't know. It's like, I've seen some in different streets already. This one's pretty full. Stuff is literally hanging out, so if it falls off, it's not my fault. I'm gonna try though. Ooh, nice. One time, I was at the end of the street. I was turning a corner to start a new street, and there was someone walking their dog. Little did I know, the dog got scared. Started pulling from the owner. He was on a leash and the owner was pulling back, tugging. Dog gets loose, runs away, and then the owner walking the dog gets mad at me and flips me off. I'm like, what did I do? I see a bunch of dogs all the time. I'm not gonna stop working because I see someone walking their dog. I'll never finish. And it was in this very neighborhood. And on this route on a Wednesday, I see a bunch of people walking their dogs. Some of them are very brave. They start barking at me. Some of them are scared. But I don't know. First of all, you know, you should have had your dog secured on the leash. And as soon as they're pulling and getting scared, if I had a dog, I would grab them and walk away somewhere. I don't know. But that was messed up. I hope they found their dog, because that dog ran. But But yeah, that guy was mad at me, flipped me off. Saw him on the other street, running around, looking for his dog. Secure your dogs, my guys, if they're scared. I like this private school. It looks like it's a high school. I like it because they have guards on the front door. I wish that was the case on all schools. Where are they? There's probably no school today. Yeah, no, it's closed. There's usually a guard right there. These cans look empty, but I still gotta collect them because if there's one bag, then they might call and complain. Pretty empty. So they fixed my truck. Good job, mechanics. Hydraulic reservoir full of oil, and over here they put the new line. Should be that one. Hard to see. Anyways, let's do a clean out. It is hot, especially in this area. And then next thing you know, it'll be cold and raining. But that's why we get 100 grand. To deal with all of this. Kind of empty right now. The tippers. That picture that you just saw was from an alley. I swear this is a different street. There's more tree work. They're everywhere, my guys. It's toasty out there. Don't forget to drop a like, my guys. That'd be awesome. I'm almost done. Free grip. Line it up. Pick it up. LA Danny out. Free grip. Line it up. Pick it up. Yeah, just put them in a blue one. Put them in a blue one. All right, everything fit. Bring it down slowly because the lady's right in front of it. You're welcome. And for this one, I won't even need to extend my arm. I'm just gonna grab it, get as close as I can. Bam! All I used was my clamps and my cart, no arm. Somebody asked me, well, what's the point of these monitors? In case somebody throws a load of cash, I go in the hopper and grab it. JK. The probably number one reason is to check if all the contents fell inside and not make a mess. Second, possible smoke, fires, anything that, believe it or not, I've heard of people throwing coal in there. So they thought it was out, it wasn't. That can create a fire hazard.